3, 4, 5 works for anything. If you just take 3, 4, and 5, you can take 6, 8, and 10. You can take 9, 12, and 15. So what you do is you measure out 6 here, 8 here, you measure here, and this will be 10. 64 plus 36 equals 100, which is 10. What this does is the further out you go and the more accurate these points are, the straighter your line accuracy is. And you get a perfect perpendicular. So if you don't use 3, 4, 5, if the lines are really long, you can use 30, 40, 50. If you have 100-foot lines, you need to be using 30, 40, 50, because if you have a 100-foot line and you're only measuring this little spot right here, 3, 4, 5, you don't know if this line up here just angles out a little bit. Even if you use a laser or something like that, sometimes the lasers will say 1/8 inch over 30 feet or 1/8 inch over 100 feet. And if you got to go 200 feet and you're a 1/4 inch out, you start getting some wobbly looking tile at the very end. Okay? So 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 9, 12, 15. Just add it up.